This easy Brazilian cheese bread recipe is definitely a must-make for cheese lovers. Crispy on the outside and soft, chewy with airy pockets on the inside. You won't be able to stop eating them, trust me. And it takes only 15 minutes to make. Ingredients: half a cup milk, a quarter cup canola oil, 1 cup tapioca flour, sometimes labeled tapioca starch, no substitutions, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 large egg, a quarter cup grated cheddar cheese, preferably medium or sharp, a quarter cup grated Parmesan cheese, optional, extra cheese to sprinkle on top, and any herbs/flavorings you'd like to add. Try rosemary and/or garlic powder, my favorites. Instructions. Quick blender version. 1. Preheat oven to 400 degrees. Spray a mini muffin tin with nonstick spray or rub with butter. 2. Place egg, milk, oil, tapioca flour, and salt in blender and blend until smooth. Add cheeses and pulse just a couple times.